Hi there, and welcome back to part 2. So, now we're going to talk about editing and uploading it to wherever you want to upload it to. But, just the basic stuff. But first, cue intro. Softwares come in many shapes and many forms. Some are only exclusive to your laptop, some can be used on your phone, some on an iPad. But for sake of convenience, we're going to talk about 3 basic editing softwares. So we're going to first talk about DaVinci Resolve, which is a pro software that I use for a lot of my older videos, iMovie, which I use all the time for everything because it's easy, and Google Photos, which I use on my phone. And if you want to see a full Google Photos tutorial on making videos, link in the description box below. But for sake of convenience, we're going to talk about iMovie because DaVinci Resolve is not for everyone. Google Photos is on your phone, and I think iMovie is one of the easiest to use out there. So iMovie is a really simple software that anyone can use. And since it's kind of difficult for me to narrate this while, describing what it is to, edit, I'm going to pass it over to editing Seth over there. Seth, here. Thanks, Seth. Okay, so now we're going to start editing the video. So in here, I already have all the videos that I pre-made, and basically, I'm just going to add them to my timeline. Now, the timeline is very simple, and since I already have pre-made transitions, I don't need to add anymore. And pre-made transitions, I highly recommend because they can save you a lot of time later on. So, in terms of the editing, here's your clip. All you gotta do is, for me, at the point that I start turning, I make a cut. Now, a cut, so say I want to cut it here, yeah? I click on it, I press Command and I press B. Command B is basically the general cut function. You can find it across a lot of other editing softwares that are on laptops. Like for me, I want to enter it around here because it's a blurry part. Again, Command B. And just delete it. So once you play it, so say I want to cut it like here, so I cut and cut. So once I play it in a single, it kind of merges together and in one full transition. Again, here you can see that here's the blurry section. Here's another blurry section, each is less than a second long. Then you can see here, I'm just going around my desk. Maybe I didn't want that. So we can cut it here, cut it like here, and continue the video. So you can have it like that, and this is where we can add our own transitions. Now iMovie comes with a lot of good transitions, so let's do a really simple one. Let's do cross dissolve. Place it in the middle, and just like that, it will dissolve the first clip and put it into the second clip. Just like that, you've made a simple video. Back to you, Seth. So now we got our video all ready. We got to talk about the music that our video will have. Now the music must not distract your audience, but must also complement you. Now I'm going to increase the volume for a few minutes so you can listen to the music that I use for this video. It's quite monotone, isn't it? It doesn't draw attention away from me, but it doesn't make the video look boring. It's kind of a slow beat jazz type of music that's relaxing. And I honestly like it. And another thing about video, you should make sure that it's copyright free, so you don't get copyrighted later on. And that's kind of important, I guess. So yeah, now we can talk about final processing. Now, another thing that we got to talk about when you're about to upload the video is, should I have a thumbnail or not? In my earlier videos, I did not have a thumbnail, but in my later videos, I do. Now I kind of have a thumbnail in every video. And a thumbnail can basically be anything. A thumbnail can just be you holding your hand out and then editing something there. A thumbnail can just be you leaning against the wall. a thumbnail just basically makes your video look interesting, and that's why thumbnails are so important. And a lot of people actually put a lot of effort into their thumbnails, so people click on their videos. But if you're just starting out and you're making videos for social media, you don't really need a thumbnail. That's okay. But if you want to know, you want to learn how to make a thumbnail, especially ones where you clone yourself, I have a video for that too. That's right, I have a video for almost everything. So go into the link in the description box below and look for duplication video. And in that video, I teach you how to duplicate yourself in pictures so you can have an awesome thumbnail. Thanks for watching this short video, tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye.